Very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 62, which is dedicated to the healthy body, and it is coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona and the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the holistic body healing series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the health concept. Kindly read it once, kindly revise it so that you can understand the feelings of this particular episode. Episode number 45, 46 and so on. Episode number 59. These are the summary of the health concept only, but if you want to see the complete concept mentioned by the channel Zero to Infinity, then certainly you have to refer the concept series, and one very special episode is there, total summary for the world. There you will able to find the complete concept which we have discussed till now. Dear friends, I am an engineer. And I believe that if the concepts are very clear, then certainly we are able to apply it in the many of the applications. It may be hundreds of the applications, it may be thousands of the applications. That's why clearing of the concept is very important. Episode number 60. And our last episode number E61, or the episode number 61. Let's discuss it in the very brief manner. Although if you want to see the detail, then certainly you have to go for the episode number 61. Concept number H39 is working style of the cure for the disease as per the today's medical science. How the today's medical science or the allopathy is dealing with the disease. How it is providing the cure for any of the disease. First one is the locational cure. I am putting the head balm or the pain cream or the pain ointment or the inhaler in my nose or the asthma pump, etc. These are the locational cure. This means I have the problem on my particular limb, particular organ, then only locally I am taking care of it. The second method is take a pill. Medicine goes to the stomach, and with its digestive system, medicine reaches to the unhealthy organ. This is comparatively a slow method if you are taking a pill, and you know that many kind of the pills are available with the allopathy. The third one is take an injection. When you are taking the injection, medicine goes to the blood, and with that blood circulation system, the medicine reaches to the unhealthy organ in very fast manner. Dear friends, if you are taking the injection, then in hardly 10 to 15 minutes you will be getting cure by that particular injection, because blood circulation speed is very fast. Concept number H40 is working style of the cure for the disease as per the eternal spiritual science. Dear friends, this is the channel which is dedicated to the spiritual science. That's why we cannot forget the cure as per the eternal spiritual science. Why I have mentioned the eternal word? Because it was available and working before the 10,000s of the year. It is working throughout the globe, and it will be working in the next 5,000, 10,000 years till human body exists. That's it. Because these are the eternal concepts. Dear friends, a disease means less energy, less quantum of the energy, impure energy or the black energy, and the imbalance in the energy. This means, as per the eternal spiritual science, what is the meaning of the disease? Only the three things: less energy I have, impure energy I have, and the imbalance in the energy I have. If I have any of these three, or the mixing of these three, this means I will be compelled to be a sick person, or the diseases will be attracted by my existence. That's why by any of the methods, there may be the many thousands of the methods are there, no problem at all, but by any of the methods, remove the black energy first, get the burst of the white energy and balance it. Just like cleaning dirt by the water, the white positive energy will defeat the black negative energy. Just like Christ will punch the Antichrist, just like the Kalkiji will punch the demon Kali, or just like the white energies fighting with the black energies, and 101% the white energy are compelled to win. So dear friends, remove the black energy, get the burst of the white energy and balance it. And third one is create the vacuum by the deep feeling. If you are feeling something, I can feel my eyes, I can feel my nose, I can feel my every cell of the body, I can feel my mind, I can feel my any of the limb. Yes, it can be felt, and by only words you cannot understand at all. Just close your eyes and feel that your complete existence is only on this finger. Then certainly you will be able some kind of the vibrations in that particular finger, and yes, your energy is going towards that organ, that this finger. So dear friends, create the vacuum by the deep feeling, just like the cleaning through vacuum. And vacuum, it can absorb each and everything. It may be of the white, it may be of the black. So dear friends, by any of the methods, if you are able to remove the black energy, getting the white energy and balancing it, and deep feeling the energies, then certainly you will be able to cure yourself, you will be able to cure your own body. Certainly 100% sure shot, and this is the guarantee from the ancient civilization, this is the guarantee from the channel 0 to infinity. Concept number H41 is deeper the feeling will, the vacuum level and the vacuum power will increase, and cleaning will be more quick and more powerful. Dear friends, if we are able to deep feel, then certainly the vacuum or the layer L7 or the soul matter will be increased in us, and certainly that vacuum level and the vacuum power will clean the black energy in the very quickly manner and in the very powerful manner. And dear friends, in each and every concept I am just saying only one thing: knowing is very good, but doing is always better. Dear friends, my words cannot be understood in the very simple manner, although I have tried my best, but still if you are doing the work on yourself, then certainly you will be able to feel that what I want to say, because more is for the doing, knowing is just a part. Deep feeling means the better cleaning of the black energy and the quick healing. Concept number H42, direction to water like pure energy is possible, and the direction to the vacuum is also possible. If I want to clear the black energy, suppose the black energy, I have the wound on my hand, then certainly I have to remove the black energy from my wound. That's why I have to locally feel that my particular hand portion only, because I do not have so much energy that I have to especially take care of that particular wound or the disease or the locational disease. That's why I have to learn how to give the direction to our black energy, how to give the direction to our white energy first thing, and how to give the energy to our own vacuum. Yes, direction to the water or the direction to the pure white energy is possible, direction to the vacuum is also possible. And dear friends, although it is not it cannot be understood at this particular level, because some of the concept I have to cover for you in the concept series. But one thing is very sure, vacuum is not equal to the white energy. Vacuum is not equal to white energy. These are two separate things. White energy is related with the emotional layer or the heart layer or the layer L6, and the vacuum is related with the soul layer, soul matter, transparent matter or the layer L7. You will find the deep concept in the concept series. But whatever is the thing, whether it is a white energy or the vacuum energy, direction to both of them can be given. Concept number H43 is BEFT methodology. What is the BEFT methodology? Just like the allopathic medicines through injection and it's spreading through the blood circulation system, energy, the white energy which we are acquiring, which we are generating, that will mix in the blood and can be consciously directed locally to any of the unhealthy organ or the limb. Dear friends, direction to your own white energy, your own stem energy, your own life energy can be possible. And towards what direction I have to direct? Just feel it. Wherever you have the disease, you have to direct your white energies towards that particular limb, that particular organ. That's it. This is the only method which we have, and yes, it works. Concept number H44, conversion of the disease in the various form. What are the form of the disease? At least we have to learn about it. As per the science, three form of the matters are there: solid, liquid and the vapor. Okay, solid just like the ice, liquid just like the water, and the vapor just means the water vapor or the steam. As per the physics, energy is increasing and the matter goes from solid to liquid to vapor. This means vapor means extremely high energy. If someone has the vaporized form, vapor or the steam he have, this means it has the extremely high energy. And if we can talk about in the terms of the science, solid plus energy equal to liquid, and the liquid plus energy equal to vapor. This means solid ice is there. If I put the energy in it, heating energy in it, this means it converted into the water or the liquid. And the liquid, if I put more energy, this means it will be converted into the steam or the vapor. And dear friends, Einstein rocks E equal to mc square he has given us. This means solid can be converted into the energy, energy can be converted into the solid. This means solid state of the matter is mere concentration and the condensation of the energy. That's why if we are talking about the energy, this means we can deal with the vaporized form of the energy, we can deal with the liquid form of the energy, we can deal with the solid form of the energy. Okay, these are the form of the energies. Concept number H46, conversion of the disease in the various form. How your human body diseases, there are the many hundreds, thousands of type of the diseases are there. How it is seeing in our body, how it is look like in our body. As per the spirituality, solid, liquid and the vapor, these are the three type of the diseases. If the power or energy or body electricity or chi energy or the stem energy, if our energy getting decreases, I have some quantum of the energy. If my quantum of the energy is getting decreases, this means matter goes from vaporized form to liquid form to solid form. Repeating something, reverse is going there. Matter goes from vapor to liquid to solid, and the solid means the extremely less energy. If I have cyst in my hand, if I have tumor in my hand, this means that is the extreme form of the black energy, that is the because it is a solid form. if I have the pus formation or the liquid formation, liquid black energy, this means I have some less black energy. So dear friends, we are talking in the terms of the energy only, and energy can be converted into the solid also, energy can be converted into the liquid also. Dear friends, that's why vapor minus white energy equal to the dirty liquid, just like the pus formation. Dirty liquid minus white energy, if the energy level is further go down, dirty solid will be formed, just like your pimples, just like your tumors, cyst, etc. Dear friends, concept number H47 is conversion of the disease in the various form as per the spirituality. Solid means more dense, black, dirty energy. This means if I have the cyst or the tumor or the solid form of the energy with me in the form of the disease like pimples, many of the pimples are there. This means I have to deal with the solid. This means I have to do the do or die effort if I want to heal myself. Dear friends, black energy vapor minus white energy equal to the black energy liquid. The vapor is converting it into the liquid, and the black energy liquid, just like the pus formation or the tar in your lungs, if we further lower down our white energy, then the black energy solid will be there. This means my lungs will be totally out of control, my lungs will be totally unusable. Dear friends, I know that many of the things are going ahead of your mind, but still kindly bear with me, because I do not know whether this episode is being seen by the diplomats, PhD holder, masters, bachelors, or just a 12th science person. Dear friends, if a person who have only the 12th class education level, he can easily understand if he want to understand, and if he want to getting heal himself. Dear friends, I have tried my the best so that I can tell you the deep spiritual methods in a very simple and the today's language, but you have to do some kind of the efforts to understand it. We specially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Welcome. Dear friends, let's start the journey towards healthy body. And what is our energy healing method? In the nutshell, we can say, what is the requirement? Clean energy, high energy, and the balanced energy. Level of the energy should be very high, energy should be very pure, very white, and the energy should be in the balanced manner. Dear friends, we have discussed about the energy generation methods, energy balancing methods, and how to give the direction to the energy we have discussed. Kindly revise the previous episodes or previous concepts. Hence, kindly focus and concentrate the deep feeling. Kindly focus and concentrate the energy. Deep feel your own white energy and do the do and die efforts, do and die practice. Certainly the healthy body will be of yours. Whether you want to do it or not, it will be of your choice. Whether you want to be in the trap of the $1 million expenditure, allopathy, it is up to you. Or you want to just learn the concept, and logically if you want to practice, then certainly you will be able to heal yourself in many methods. Dear friends, now let us start this episode. More will be the free flow of the white energy. More will be the healthiness in the human body. More will be the free flow of the white pure energy, and more will be the healthiness. This means just like the river flow, if energy can freely flow in my nerves, freely flow in my complete body, this means I am very healthy person, no diseases in me, it's okay. If that particular free flow of the energy is getting resistance somewhere. This means I have diseases in that particular organ, that particular limb. Dear friends, free flow of the energy is need of the healthy body, just like the free flow of the river. We have to deliberately ensure that the white energy should free flow everywhere without any resistance in my particular body. And what is the energy? Once again, I am talking with the energy, I am seeing with that energy, I am thinking with that energy. Yes, the energy is same worldwide, energy is same in all the humans, even in all the creatures. Every type of the black energy is a resistance for the free flow of the white energy. What I have told, free flow of the white energy is to be ensured. Okay, then what is the resistance? Resistance means black energy or the impure body electricity. Yes, that is the resistance in our body. And what are the three forms? We have already discussed it. And I believe that if you are religiously following these episodes, then you are able to answer it. First one is solid type or the solid form. This means the condensed black energy. Cyst or the tumor. I may have tumor, I may have cyst in any of the organ, pimples, allergy, etc. What is the liquid form? Liquefied black energy. Just like the pus formation in any part of the body, this means liquid form of the black energy. Another one is if you are heavy smoker, then some kind of the black liquid or the tar accumulation will be there in your lungs. Both of the lungs, that will be full of the black tar. So dear friends, that will be the liquefied form of the black energy. And third one is the vapor form or the normal black energy. In the symbolization you can see vapor form, kindly see the pointer. Vapor form of the black energy, pus formation or the tar formation, this means the liquid form of the black energy. And third one, we can see a big tumor or the big cyst in in the stomach of some human. Dear friends, these are the type of the vapor, liquid and the solid form of the black energy or the disease. And we have to ensure that free flow of the white energy should be there in our body. Dear friends, disease means, what is the meaning of the disease? Disease means free flow of the white energy is not happening, and this resistance is to be removed through water cleaning or the vacuum cleaning. Dear friends, for the understanding purpose, I have to use the words like the water, vacuum, etc. so that you are able to understand. Otherwise, we can go very technically, very spiritually, very philosophically. But I want to let you understand, that's why I have to use the common people word like the water, vacuum, etc. Kindly bear with me. Disease means free flow of the white energy is not happening, and this resistance of the black energy is to be removed through number one, water cleaning. You can remove your dirt, you can remove your black energy. Second one is the vacuum cleaning. This means if you are deep feeling your that particular limb, problematic limb, then certainly you will be able to cure yourself. So dear friends, there are the two methods, water cleaning and the vacuum cleaning, by which we can remove our diseases and can be very healthy person. Now we have talked about the free flow of the energy. What is the meaning of it? Healthiness. Second one is what is the resistance, that is the black energy. What are the form of the energies? We have discussed it about it. Now, how to measure the blockage? This is a very big question. I have told you that there is some kind of the resistance is there, some kind of the resistance or the black energy is there. But how to measure it? Because without measuring any of the thing, I am not understanding it. That's why I have to have measure the things. Dear friends, measurement of the blockage or the energy flow check in the science. First, we will discuss about the science or the allopathy or the today's medical science. Then we will discuss about spiritual methods, how to measure the blockage. Let us discuss the measurement of the blockage as per the medical science, as per the allopathy. First one is heart. How I will understand that my heart is getting blocked? Artery blockage can be measured, cholesterol accumulation can be measured. It may be of the due to obesity or the fat accumulation in the blood veins or the blood arteries. This means I am able to measure the blockage in the heart, discontinuity in the liquid in the heart. And there are the many of the methods. Labs are there by which you can understand what is your cholesterol level. There are many of the methods available with the allopathy. Nerve blockage can be seen, can be measured by the allopathy or the medical science. Like nerve blockage can be measured by Doppler, ultrasound examination, etc. This means blockage or discontinuity in the body, electricity or the energy. If nerve blockage is there, we are saying blockage or discontinuity in the body electricity or the energy is there. If there is a artery blockage is there, yes, we are saying the same thing, blockage or discontinuity in the liquid is there. So dear friends, allopathy have many of the methods to measure the blockage or the energy flow problems. Another one, blood flow can be checked, blood flow can be measured through many of the methods. Just like the blood pressure, we can measure whether it is a high blood pressure or the low blood pressure, that can be measured. Another one is bone continuity checking, can be done through the X-ray, etc. And what is the meaning of the fracture? It is just the discontinuity in the solid. You have a complete bone in you, and due to the fracture there is some gap in between it. This means the continuity is not meeting in the bone. We are saying in the in our energy terms we can say yes, it is a type of the blockage or the discontinuity in the solid. So dear friends, first thing, honestly I beg sorry from my all viewers and all my well-wishers in the advance, and also from the medical field friends, from the doctors, from the physicians, etc. Dear friends, there may be some kind of the minor problems in my explaining and the facts, but kindly trust me, I am an engineer, I am an electrical engineer by profession in the oil industry. I am not a doctor at all. I know something about the body electricity and I am using it in the field of the medical, and yes, it is working. That's why I am compelled to tell you everything in these episodes. So dear friends, kindly give me the sorry in the advance. There may be some kind of the minor problems, not the major problems. I am a very well educated person. Minor problems in my explaining of the facts, because I am an engineer, not a doctor at all. Although I am trying my the best so that my people, my viewers, my friends, my well-wishers can be explained by this poor fellow, by this simple guy, by this common man. Dear friends, it is just like, what are the types of the laugh? What are the types of the laugh? There are the many of the words in the English: smile, giggle, evil grin, belly laugh, blush, etc., etc., etc. These all are the types of the laugh, which can be known by the specialized and English knower only. If someone is very master in the English, then certainly he will be able to differentiate in between the smile, giggle, evil grin, belly laugh, blush, etc. This means it is a specialized explanation. But for rest all common people, for rest all common men, laugh means laugh. This is the generalized explanation. So dear friends, what we are doing in the channel 0 to infinity, in this particular series, we are dealing with the problems, we are dealing with the diseases in the generalized manner. Although, but these techniques working, and certainly you can be the brand ambassador of these techniques if it is working. Dear friends, we have already discussed how to do the measurement of the blockage as per the science, like X-ray, many of the methods, Doppler methods, etc. We have discussed in the previous slides. But now, how to measure the blockage in the spirituality, we have to learn. Dear friends, I am to learn a lot, not a doctor by the profession. That's why I feel sorry in the advance. Number one, the first method with the spirituality is, it can be felt by the individual. It seems very easy, it seems a very common man's word. You can feel it. It can be felt individually, whether you are sick or not, whether your energy is free flowing or your energy is getting blocked, whether you are healthy or not, you can easily feel it. Dear friends, some of the persons have schizophrenia, some like the mental disease, some of the persons have the anxiety, some of the persons have the tumor, cyst, pimples, some of the malfunctioning limb you have. So dear friends, your energy blockage can be felt. Your black energy can be felt by you only. Second method, it can be measured by the Kirlian photography or the aura photography. Yes, it is very peculiar methods. That's why I am using these things in almost all the episodes, because yes, it is worth to discuss again and again. Kirlian photography, it is available in the cities, it is available in your country. Kindly take the aura photograph of yourself. By mere seeing your aura, whether it is the lighter aura or reddish aura or the darker aura, you can able to understand about your inner health, your own inner energy level. Certainly, and what we are saying, black energy, it will attract the disease, white energy, it will attract the healthiness. She is a healthy person, she is a unhealthy person or the sick person, or something wrong will occur with that particular person. Kindly see the pointer. She is just a normal person, reddish energy, just a human. Sometimes good, sometimes bad, sometimes sick, sometimes healthy. That's it. So dear friends, the measurement of the blockage can be checked with the help of the Kirlian photography and with the help of the aura photography. Third one is, it can be measured by the solid disease, liquid disease and the normal disease, normal vaporized disease. Just once again, I am taking the same pictures again and again. Vapor form of the disease, you can see it. Liquid form of the disease, pus formation, tar formation in your lungs, and this is the cyst or the tumor, which is a kind of the solid disease or the making of the pimple. So it can be measured in these three methods: solid, liquid and the normal vapor. Dear friends, we have discussed energy should free flow. What is the meaning of the resistance? We have discussed. Third one is how to measure the blockage. We have seen it. Now till now we have discussed about the problem, how to measure the problem. But now this is the correct time in which we can discuss how to deal with it, how to get cure of it, how to solve the problem. Now this is the correct time in which we can say this healing series getting started. Cure of the energy blockage in the spirituality or the ancient civilizations. First one is, there are many methods, but still in the flow we will learn about two methods. Acupressure, it is a rich science. Acupuncture, yes, it is a rich science and very rich science. And why I am saying it is a science? Just it is a acupressure and I am telling like a science. Dear friends, as per the normal language, as per the literature, what is the meaning of the science? Any type of the systematic knowledge can be said as a science. This means I should have the systematic knowledge of particular field, and yes, that is called as a science. That's why science is spreading till now. Science is spreading as on this moment. Political science, social science, behavioral science, there are many kind of the science. Earlier only the physics, chemistry, mathematics was of the science only. But nowadays political science, social science, because these all are the systematic knowledge. That's why we are saying it is a science. So dear friends, systematic knowledge of the acupressure, systematic knowledge of the acupuncture also can be called as a science. Yes, it is a truth. These both are very great potential. These have the very great possibilities which can be harnessed by the humanity. Dear friends, now we will first learn about the acupressure. Although there are many of the books, I will just cover in the 1 to 2 slides only, because I have to cover many of the dimension of the mankind. That's why kindly, if you are really hungry, if you are really a good student, then certainly you will learn it from the books, will learn it from the YouTube and the Google. But we will touch it because it is very useful for us. Dear friends, during an acupressure session, the practitioner use their fingers, palms, elbows, feet or the special devices, just like that yellow one, to press on the specific acupoints on your body and gives the direction to the energy. This is supposed to restore energy flow, blockage removal and the balance to the life energy flowing through you. Everything is just the energy. What I want, free flow of the energy. How we will assure that the free flow should be there? Yes, the acupressure is helping me. By these gadgets, I am pressing my acupoints and systematic knowledge. This means it is a science. I will not go in the detail. Both of the hand are just like symbol of my complete body as per the acupressure science. My both of the foot that are equivalent to the my complete body. It is just like if you are using the desktop or the computer, whether you are every time approaching to the motherboard or RAM or ROM. No, you are dealing with your desktop, you are dealing with your laptop, with the outside port what are available with you, just like USB port, power socket, etc., etc. You are not always dealing with the motherboard. That's why these are both hands are the complete, just like the USB drive of my body. I have to deal with it. I can cure my body. Certainly, okay. Now my both of the feet just like the complete replica of my complete body. If I put particular acupoints, this means I am ensuring the free flow of the energy. This means I am trying myself to cure that particular limb. That's it. If she is doing it, kindly see the pointer. If she is doing it, this means she is trying to heal complete body. She is not pressing a particular acupoints. She is dealing with the complete body because both of the foots are being treated by this specific acupressure gadget. Dear friends, kindly refer the YouTube and the Google. Certainly you will understand it. But why I have taken it in my episode? Because it is dealing with the energy. And what I am telling, free flow of the energy is to be ensured. And yes, acupressure is ensuring the free flow of the energy by pressing the acupoints. Dear friends, hence by the acupressure, free flow of the white energy is ensured, flow in the complete body is being ensured, flow of the energy in every cell without hindrance is being ensured. This means the acupressure is the nerve cleaning method. And if I will ensure the free flow of the energy, this means this is the guarantee of the healthiness. This is the guarantee to remove the diseases from my body. Guarantee, guarantee and guarantee, short, 100%. Dear friends, kindly do not underestimate the power of the acupressure and the energy. It can do miracles. Another form of the acupressure. Yes, you are very right. He is Michael Phelps, Olympic winner, a great personality. He has won the gold medals greater than many of the nations. He is the one-man army greater than many of the nations in terms of the gold medals. Yes, we are talking about the Mr. Michael Phelps. He is also using the one form of the acupressure that is called as a cupping therapy to improve his Olympic methods. Although it is not so much very popular, just like the acupressure. Acupressure have reached in the every nook and the corner of the globe. It is spread in the around the globe, in the Africa, in the Jerusalem, in the Europe, in the Asia, in the South America. It is available everywhere, acupressure. But cupping therapy is not so much popular. Till now it is only the rich persons are using it. But dear friends, yes, it is very much helpful. Cupping therapy, this is the type of the acupressure, although not so commonly used as the acupressure. Michael Phelps uses the cup therapy to improve his Olympic performance. Another form. First, we have talked about the acupressure. Second one, cup therapy in the very nutshell. Another one is the very popular. Many of the persons love it. That is the massage therapy. This is also a type of the acupressure to maintain the blood flow, energy flow in our body. Dear friends, this is very commonly used throughout the world. If I am massaging my hand, I am ensuring the free flow of the energy. I am ensuring the good blood circulation in that particular limb, my hand. If I am massaging my head, I am ensuring that the free flow of the energy, free flow of the blood is there in my mind or the face or that. That's why, dear friends, massage is also very much important in our energy methodologies, in the holistic healing methods. By massage also you can cure many of the things. We will discuss one by one. These are just the concepts only. But trust me, massage is a type of the acupressure. By it, blood flow, energy flow in our body can be regulated, can be directed, and this will ensure the healthy body, this will be ensure the removal of the disease. Till now we have talked about the acupressure, by which we are ensuring the free flow of the energy. Now one another great science is acupuncture. Yes, it has all the qualities of the science. It has the systematic knowledge. It has the systematic literature with it. So dear friends, the acupuncture removes all the blockage at the same time, resulting in the perfect balancing of the body energy. It gives energy direction through body puncture. Nerve blockage removal. What it is doing? By puncturing myself, by using the needle, I am removing my blockage. I am removing my energy blockage. I am ensuring the free flow of the white energy. So dear friends, if I will ensure the free flow of my white energy, this means I am bound to be healthy person. No disease have power to conquer me. So dear friends, these are the methods which are very popular, very important for our holistic body healing series. And if I will, also energy direction can be given through these needles also. Energy direction given is also possible by this method. And finally we can say free flow of the energy is being ensured, which is the guarantee of the healthiness. Another one we have discussed about acupressure, cupping therapy, massage therapy. Fourth one is acupuncture. And dear friends, one thing is very sure, I am just touching because I am promoting the holistic body healing series, but I am not very much specialized in the acupressure or acupuncture. You have to refer the YouTube, Google, specialized person of the acupressure, acupuncture, etc. But what I am saying, with the help of the energies, these techniques will do the miracles. Yes, it is truth. That's why I have talked about the energy generation methods, energy balancing methods, how to give the energy. And if you have the energy, then if you are using the acupressure, acupuncture, massage, you will be heal yourself in the very better speed, even better than the allopathy, guarantee. So dear friends, cure of the energy blockage in the spirituality or as per the ancient civilization, one very beautiful method is Reiki. It is a rich science. It is the healing through pure energy, healing through pure white energy. And all my dear friends, if you have the experience of the Reiki, then you can feel the weight in my words. Dear friends, the healing pure energy coming from the palm balances the energy circuit of the human body. It cleans the blockage of the energy. It removes black energy and providing the white energy to the body, hence making body healthy. What I am saying, the same thing is again and again and again. Reiki, provision of the white energy, that's good, you will be healed. Removal of the black energy, yes, it is doing by it, you will be okay. By chakra balancing, etc., Reiki techniques, you are balancing the energy. Yes, it is good and you will be healed. No problem at all. Dear friends, quality of the energy. Repeating, the quality of the Reiki energy and the purity of the heart is the center of concern. If your heart will be very pure, then certainly you will be having more flow of the white energy from your palm. This thing was not told in the Reiki lessons. Reiki energy is flowing from our heart, that's okay. But if my heart is very pure, then the flow and the quantum of the Reiki energy will be multifold, many times. And yes, this is the beauty of our channel, that we are relating the energy the stem energy with the Reiki techniques. Dear friends, here the quality of the energy, purity of the energy is the center of the concern in this Reiki healing. This purity will decide the quantum of the energy flowing from our heart and the palms. If my heart is very pure, if my aura is very white, if my aura is very good or are of the lighter color, if my energy purity level is very good, then certainly the Reiki energy will be very great quantum will be there in my hand, and by this thing I can heal self and I can heal to the other persons also. And dear friends, kindly take a Reiki course, that is very good one. Then only you will be able to understand that what I want to say to you. Dear friends, now once again one question comes, whether the acupressure is a nation specific or the universal. Whether a person from the Arabian country, whether a person from the Israel, India, UK, USA, Brazil, all are the persons can use the same techniques. Whether these techniques will work will work in the same manner to all the humans. Just ask from yourself. Dear friends, I can guarantee these are the holistic healing methods which are working on the human body. That's it. Human body of the Brazil, human body of the Jerusalem, human body of the Tel Aviv, human body of the Mumbai, human body of the China or the Beijing or the Shanghai. Yes, it will be work on all kind of the human beings. So dear friends, yes, it is universal. That's why you can use it. In the Hindu religion, just for example, whether it is a nation specific or the universal. In the Hindu religion, this is called as a tilak. Tilak on the forehead. This is a type of the ritual by which the activation of the third eye will be there. Activation of the pineal gland will be there. Yes, by being the pressure on my pineal gland, I can activate it. By giving the acupuncture to my pineal gland, I can activate my third eye. There are methods. That's why it is a symbolic ritual in the Hinduism, in the India. This is called as a tilak. We do in all kind of the ceremonies, and this is a form or the symbol of activation of the third eye, activation of the pineal gland or the pressure on the pineal gland. Dear friends, and in the India we are not alone. I am talking about the ancient civilizations. This is the Indian civilization, and my dear friends, this is our Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization, the symbol of the Ra, God Ra, deity Ra. 3,500 years ago, the Egyptians were already knowing about it. The effect of the pineal gland on our body, the effect of activation of our pineal gland. So dear friends, Indian civilization saying same thing, Egyptian civilization saying same thing. Yes, we can say that these techniques are universal and these will work on each and every human on this earth. And what about the acupuncture, whether it is a nation specific or the universal? Once again, yes, it is a universal. In the India, many of the saints, many of the sages are doing the penance, some kind of the spiritual rituals with the help of the acupuncture. And yes, in the Chinese civilization, in the ancient civilization of the China, they are using the acupuncture also. Once again I am saying, all the ancient civilization are very same, saying the same, and all the civilization want to uplift the humanity. So dear friends, we have to take the ripened fruit of this civilization and have to heal ourselves so that complete mankind can be very healthy. At last, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, massage therapy, etc. are very rich sciences. Hence, use all of them reasonably and make the body healthy is need of our. Holistic body healings given by the channel Zero to Infinity are just like multinational companies' global products. These will be uniformly effective throughout the globe and it will work on each and every human body. What I need? Only the main body circuit. And what is the main body circuit? Cut the to my hands, cut the to my legs. What remains? That's called as primary energy circuit. If it is okay, you can heal yourself. Whether whatever is the gender, male, female, no gender, anything, any human, you can do it. Dear friends, and now it is all of your own choice whether our body nerves and the blood vessels of our body should be like the clean river or like the polluted river. Blood can be polluted, blood can be cleaned. Nerve energy or the energy can be polluted, nerve energy can be cleaned. Whether it is to be done or not, it is completely individual choice. If you have faith on these techniques, then certainly you will do the efforts and then only you will be able to heal yourself. Dear friends, the more will be the power or energy or body electricity or chi energy or the steam energy, the more will be the energy. Ancient energy healing techniques like the acupressure, acupuncture, cup therapy, massage therapy, Reiki and our holistic healing techniques, these will work in very effective and the very powerful manner and it will look like the miracle. We can say healthiness in the moments. If your energy is up to the Jesus Christ level, then yes, you can remove the blindness of poor fellows in the moments. If you have the energy like the Nikola Tesla, you will be able to produce 100 and 1000 of the papers, scientific papers. Dear friends, one very beautiful thing is there. These are the forbidden sciences in front of the allopathy. There are some reasons we will discuss in the next slide, but these are very powerful. Acupressure is powerful, acupuncture is powerful, cup therapy, massage therapy, Reiki, these are very powerful equipments, very powerful methodologies. The more will be energy, more will be the level of these techniques will be there, and this is the concept by our channel Zero to Infinity. That's why kindly acquire as much possible as the white energy. Acquire infinity white energy with you. Certainly you will be able to heal yourself and able to work many good things. Dear friends, now something out of box. That's why we will not discuss many things about it. Tire puncture checking in the developing world or in the developed world also is being done in the pressurized tire. This means if I want to check the puncture in this tire or tube, then certainly I have to first fill the air in it. Then only I will be able to see the bubbles in my water and I will be able to learn that yes, this is a puncture. Okay. Similarly, energy leakage check in your human body can be done, and this energy leakage check can be done in the more energy state or the higher stem energy equilibrium. If your energy level is high, then certainly you will be able to recognize your own energy leakage. If your energy level is very low, if your mobile is very discharge condition, then you will not able to know about your own energy leakage. And dear friends, energy, every drop is very important. It is a very peculiar energy. That's why we have to take care of it. We have to fix the leakage of our energy. Every drop of the energy should be used for a good purpose. This is the feeling we should have. Dear friends, more will be the energy, more power in the healing techniques will be there, and we will be able to recognize our energy leakage. Dear friends, the healing techniques which work on the deeper layers of the human existence are able to do more permanent healing. I know that it is going very much messy and not a messy, but it is going very much complex. But you can revise it. You can always rewind the tape, rewind the episodes. It is up to you. Dear friends, the healing techniques which work on the deeper layers of the human existence are able to do more permanent healing. And just like mind, it is deeper than the body. Mind layer or the thought layer, it is the deeper than the body layer. Emotional layer or the heart layer, it is deeper than the mind, etc. Kindly refer the concept series so that you can able to understand what is the meaning of the body, what is the body layer, materialistic layer, thought layer, mind layer, emotional layer and the soul layer. Kindly refer the concept series. Because we cannot describe each and every time these layers, but here this concept is very much important for healthiness series. Healing techniques which work on the deeper layers of the human existence are able to do more permanent healing. Whether we want to get treated on the root or on the leaf, this is completely our own choice. Whether we want to remove the diseases from the root itself, or we want to just getting cured superficially, just like at the leaf level, choice is of yours. Allopathy deals with the symptoms. It has side effects. Many of the side effects are there. That's why we have to give the chance to the acupressure, acupuncture, energy healings, massage therapy, so that by hook or by crook we can heal our body. And yes, it works, and I am saying it very confidently. Now I am in the comfort zone something, because previous slide was something almost bouncer. What are the deeper layers? What are the techniques? How it is working? X, Y, Z. Many of the things are there. That's why after this slide you can refer the previous slide also. Dear friends, the healing techniques deepness level. This is a fact. I am not saying Y, X, Y, Z. This is not a part of this series. Only the fact I am saying. Fact and the bare fact. Healing techniques deepness. Allopathy, this is the limited to the body only, although it is very quick. Allopathy is not the lesser importance. Allopathy deepness is lesser than the homeopathy deepness, is lesser than the acupressure deepness, is lesser than the acupuncture deepness, is lesser than the Reiki or the energy healing, is lesser than the Ayurveda, and it is lesser than the holistic healing method. This means the holistic healing methods are better compared to the only Ayurveda. Ayurveda is better in the permanent healing than the Reiki or the energy healing. Reiki is better than the acupuncture. Acupuncture is better than the acupressure. Acupressure is better than the homeopathy, and homeopathy is far better than the allopathy for a permanent solution. Yes, permanent solution. We will this is the arrow of the, you can refer the arrow, direction of the arrow. Homeopathy to acupressure to acupuncture to Reiki or the energy healing to Ayurveda, to this complete combines the holistic healing methods. That's why we are saying yes, it is greater than the Ayurveda, because Ayurveda is dealing some of the aspect, but we are dealing with the many of the aspect of this mankind. We are taking the ripened fruit from every civilization of our earth. That's why we are saying yes, the holistic healing methods are very powerful. And I request kindly, by after this slide, kindly refer the previous slide also. One very beautiful concept you will learn, that what is important for you, and you will learn very beautifully. Dear friends, now we are at the almost end of the episode. Ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda etc. not works on the stones. What are the stones? Less energy. This means the ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda, acupressure are not working on the persons who have the less energy, less stem energy. More will be the power or the energy. More effective will be the ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda, acupressure, etc. This means by hook or by crook you have to raise your energy level so that you can get the benefits of the acupressure, acupuncture and the Ayurveda. One thing is very sure, energy level must to be increased. Nowadays, ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda are less popular because our human body has very less energy. It is just can be called as a discharge mobile. Our human body of the today's era, they do not have so much great energy in them. Only a 15-20% charge mobile only. Only a energy which is helpful in day-to-day functions only. Not a very great quantum of the energy you have. So dear friends, how to generate the energy we have already discussed. That's why kindly generate the energy, direct it to the problematic limb. You will be get healed. In the holistic healing methods of the Zero to Infinity channel, we will use the best of each techniques, as all the healing techniques are even invented by the humans only. It is for the humans, by the humans, certainly. Dear friends, we have the every right to use it. We have every right to use these healing techniques, just like Ford company is using the vehicles in their cars. It is not inventing the vehicle for its car. That's why whatever given by the ancient civilizations, and it is good for our own civilization, we will use it. How it is possible that we reinvent our wheel again, we reinvent our fire again? We are using the fire, we are using the wheel. Similarly, we will use the ripened fruits of our ancient civilization so that it can be helpful in our own civilization. Dear friends, let's go together so that our planet can be worth living, our planet can be healthy. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his or her own life. If he or she gets benefited from it, then only kindly spread these experiment of the truth to all the humans so that a healthy human society can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Dear friends, kindly do the result checking only after doing the Satya ka prayog, doing the experiment of truth. No endless discussion without self-doing. If you haven't done it, if you haven't experienced it, kindly keep mum, kindly do not spread. If you have felt it, if you have felt the energy vibrations, if you are able to heal yourself from your own disease, then certainly it will be your own duty to serve the mankind, to spread it. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts to make the Eden Garden, to bring the Eden Garden on this earth, to make this earth a utopian one, to make this earth a worth living. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. Knowing is just like the sugar, but doing is just like the poison. It is very tough in doing. That's why I especially request, learn the concept, have faith on it, do the work on yourself. Certainly you will get benefited of it. Dear friends, the holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden of the people, by the people and for the people. Let's go together. Dear friends, this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. It will touch the land just like the Noah's Ark. I am very much confident, and this confidence I have to rise in you. Dear friends, the Armageddon is not in between the nations, not in between the religions at all. This is a satanic plan, so that every nation fight with each other, every religion fight with each other. But the true Armageddon will be there. It is just about to come. It is just about to occur. But that will be in between the positive and negative powers, black and white powers, good and bad persons. And that will be a true Armageddon for this era, for this mankind. Dear friends, this is a very individual choice whether you want to follow deity, positive, white or godly energy, or whether you are with demonic, negative, black or the satanic energy. Whether you are with the Lord Kalki of the Hinduism, Christ, Al-Mahdi, Messiah, or you are with Kali demon, Antichrist, Satanic, Lucifer, or a false Messiah. This is a completely unique choice, completely individual choice. Even your family cannot decide it for you. Not your nation can decide it for you. You are the only persons, you are the only individual who will decide whether you are with the positive powers or whether you are with the negative powers. Consequences will be very much as per your own choice. You are with the black, you will be treated like that. You are with the white, you will be treated like that. Choice is of yours. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago. You may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be the every human. You may have the any questions under the blue sky. Dear friends, kindly feel free and contact me. I contact the channel Zero to Infinity. I will do my the best so that problems can be sorted out, and I will cover it individually as well as in my episodes. Thank you very much dear friends for watching. Happy times and good day dear friends. I Praful Dabi bow to you. I Praful Dabi bow to God hidden in you.